How to upload audio to Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on create right over here. And once you tap on create, this page is going to open up in your screen. From your screen, you want to go ahead and tap on creations. And inside creation, simply tap on development items. Inside development items, select audio right over here, scroll below, and then simply tap on upload asset. Inside here, go ahead and tap on upload. And then from your PC, you want to go ahead and select your audio. Once you select it, tap open. You want to go ahead and name your audio. Also type in the description if you would like. And once you're done, tap on upload. So as you can see that our audio has been uploaded to Roblox. If you'd like to go ahead and see this, go ahead and open a new tab. Type in roblox.com again, log into your account, tap on inventory. And inside inventory, you want to go ahead and tap on audio right over here. And just like so, you'll then be able to find the audio that you have just uploaded in your Roblox. Well, that is simply how to do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.